Hello, and welcome once again to Moodle for Everyone. I'm Dr. Edward Bethel, and in this video, we're going to be looking how you can set up secure exam browser for your quiz or exam so that students will be using a lockdown browser when they're taking your quiz. And one of the great things is you can do this directly from within Moodle. So just quickly about Safe Exam Browser. Safe Exam Browser, as I said, is a lockdown browser that needs to be downloaded to the student's desktop one time. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, and iOS, so it can be used on iPads in addition to any desktop machines. It's not available for Chromebook, however, so it would have to be either a Windows or a Mac machine or an iPad. So basically what happens is that the first time that the student encounters it, the student will download and install the software on their computer. And then the next time that a student attempts to take a quiz or an exam that is enabled for secure exam browser, the secure exam browser will be automatically launched and the student's computer will be completely locked. That means they won't be able to open up any other tabs. They won't be able to launch the doc on a Mac. They won't be able to copy and paste. They have to essentially work through the quiz only. And usually, since it's an exam, a timed exam or quiz, they have a specific length of time to complete that. So I'm going to show you how you can set up your quiz to take advantage of this great tool. So I have a couple of quizzes set up, and I'm going to go down to my quiz in week 4, and we're going to set this one up for secure exam browser. So the first thing to do is open your quiz, and you will see that the quiz has already been set up, and so I don't have to add any questions to it. I just need to configure the quiz. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is go to Edit Settings. And note that if you're going to use Secure Exam Browser, be sure that you make sure that your timing is set. And you'll see why in a bit. So I'm just going to say, I'm not going to worry about the opening and closing of the quiz, but I am going to set this just to a time limit of 10 minutes. That will be more than enough. There's only 3 questions in this quiz. And as always, I'm going to leave this as open attempts to submit it automatically. The second thing you want to ensure is that you have the number of attempts allowed set properly. So I'm going to change this back to 1. That way, if the students complete it, they can't relaunch a new secure exam browser and retake the quiz. Good. Everything else, I'm not really going to worry about so much. Review options, I better actually no review options. I'm going to set this up as I want it. Turn all of these things off. Yep. And just yeah, I'll just let them review the attempt, and that's about it. Turn everything else off. And note that after the quiz is closed, these are all grayed out. That's because once the quiz is closed, the student will not be able to launch the secure exam browser anyway. So they won't be able to go and review the quiz. These reviews can only take place within the secure exam browser. Good. So, sorry, Safe Exam Browser. So the next thing I'm going to do is open up the Safe Exam Browser window settings, sorry. And where it says require the use of Safe Exam Browser, I'm going to select yes, using an existing template. And what this means, we've already set up the template that you should be using for the secure exam browser. So it's automatically selected. That stays the same. Show Safe Exam Browser download button, definitely, because the first time that students are taking this, they will need to download it. And then enable quitting of SEB, again, yes, because if you click no to this, even when the student is finished the quiz, they will not be able to exit the browser. They will, in fact, have to um, turn off the computer before they're able to exit the browser. You can add a quick password if you like, and you can enter that there. And of course, you can always add a password for the quiz anyway. Note that if you're using Secure Exam Browser, do not select Browser Security here. The Secure Exam Browser will take care of all of that already. Good. So, but as I said, if you want to add a password, you can. And that's really all there is to it. So once I click Save and Display, I'll get a message here that this quiz has been configured so that students may only attempt it using the Safe Exam Browser. Great. So that's from the faculty point of view. And now I will quickly review that. Then I'll do another video to show you how it would work for the student. And for that one, I'm actually going to have to take a picture of my screen because once the Secure Exam Browser is launched, the screen gets completely locked down. So just a quick review. Go into settings for the quiz, edit settings, make sure that your timing is set up and that you have a time limit for the quiz. Make sure that you have the correct number of attempts, and then go and select Safe Exam Browser. Yes, using an existing template, and you're going to use the UB Safe Exam Browser configuration, and select yes and yes for both of these selections. So I hope that that was helpful, and good luck in using the Safe Exam Browser for your quizzes coming up. Bye for now.